Hi, I'm Alex. The corona pandemic has had a major impact on our everyday lives. Hygiene, health, and safety have taken on a completely new importance. Even though a lot of work has already been undertaken in this respect, there are unfortunately still some gaps and weaknesses in this area. In everyday office life where people come together and share facilities and equipment, there are opportunities to improve protection against viruses on such surfaces. This is where POLIFILM's innovative idea comes in. POLIFILM's antiviral films ensure that workspaces and surfaces can be safely used with less concerns, and your company can operate more safely through this pandemic. For example, on coffee machines and in staff restrooms. Files and folders, photocopiers, digital displays, and keypads. Yes, even the pens are protected. Oh, they're not meant for whiteboards? Whoops! Okay, that was bad. Handrails and door handles. So many door handles. Tables, work surfaces, and books. Books! Old school! And of course for electronic devices like laptops and tablets. Fewer germs and viruses on surfaces means a safer and more hygienic workplace. Your customers and visitors will also feel more comfortable knowing you are protecting them with POLIFILM's antiviral films. Check out more at policare.com.